color is definitely, it's what the movie is. I mean, like music, it's an element that you're not necessarily consciously aware of, but it's equally powerfully a contributor to the character of the movie.
In the case of Oh Brother, it was a period film set in the Deep South. It was a sort of, in a sense, a very highly stylized movie. All of those things contributed to very specific ideas about how we wanted the movie to be treated in a color sense.
We were the first feature where the entire movie was digitized and where we did a DI as opposed to photochemical grading. It was the only way to be able to target the things we wanted to target in terms of the image, and all of our movies since then, as is the norm now, have been done with, as digital intermediates.
Part of, I think, about what Apple has done, and it's always a good thing, is it's demystifying a lot of these processes. You know what I mean? So you think that there are these daunting, only for the experts kinds of things that can be done, and to sort of discover that, it doesn't have to be this mysterious thing. It's really great.
Yeah, we just saw the new software, the color program, which is great. The degree of control that you have. It just seemed like a really powerful and graspable tool. It's always easier to talk about looking at something than to talk about in the abstract. We can actually look at tests with the DP and talk about how we can play with contrast and desaturation and approximate a look we want.
It changes the way you're used to examining all those properties from in a flat, sort of two-dimensional way, and lets you see the element of color in a completely different way by virtue of the fact that it kind of extrudes it into 3 dimensions. So it's this strange thing we've never seen before that reveals a new aspect of the whole process. Color is really revolutionary and very helpful in terms of the tool that it affords you.
It seems calculated to appeal to us. We make movies kind of from beginning to end. We, start thinking about the story, we write our own scripts, we cut our own movies, and we're involved in the process all the way to the end. And it is all just part of different aspects of one integrated process of, making a movie, telling a story in a movie.
And as the machines get more sophisticated, your thinking about it can get more sophisticated. That kind of symbiosis is interesting. That's why all the new technology is interesting. We're not interested in technology per se, but I think are interested in how it lets you think about new things and do new things.